Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some good information this week. We've gone over LG, we've gone over Whirlpool, we've gone over GE. Now we're going to go over the LG, how to remove the bottom drawer. Okay, this is basically easy. You don't need special tools. Pretty much, this is just take your time, be a little observant, you'll be fine. Now we're going to take it out. And the first thing you want to do is open your drawer. Okay, obviously pretty basic. It basically just lifts and pulls and it's out. That's your upper drawer. Okay, now this one can be fun. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pick it up and it's going to roll out and come out just like that. Okay, pretty basic, pretty easy, not a problem. And to put it back in, just take your time, line it back up, good, and make sure it doesn't wiggle. Okay, because it's really hard to get them to go in cockeyed. As you can see, they really don't want to go in any other direction, so it only goes basically in one way. And then to put it back in, now if you look at this, you'll see I've got little rollers here. Okay, these rollers here and these rollers here. These rollers go, your front rollers go on this, and your back rollers go on this. That way everything lines up and stays straight. You got both sides. Now obviously, it only goes in one way. You really can't put it in backwards. Now, this isn't a challenge, but if you do happen to put it backwards, let us know. It'd be kind of interesting to see how you can do something that should not ever be done. But we're going to digress a little bit. This just goes in. You put your back rolls in. You got to make sure you get it far enough back, because here, if you try and put it in up here, see, it won't go back. The wheels don't go actually over. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you get it far enough back in there to where it'll slide. And then you close it up, and you're good to go. Now, it never hurts. Your LGs, if you want to open your doors, it gives you a little more front distance. Not necessary. But if you do happen to want to try it, give it a try. It won't hurt you. That's how you do an LG bottom, the LG freezer drawers. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to like it and come back for more for another good week. Thank you very much.